You are watching Gene TV, your #1 online TV station. Gene TV, we are the real deal.
It's P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Because it's becoming hot. Can you open your zip a little bit? Yes, some of them are tying them to the skin. Yes. Open it a little bit.
Salim, go there. Salim, masuk عليها صقرها.
Parrots can talk. Parrots can talk. Some of them can say hi, some of them can say something. But this one, it is tricky. Only the African green on the color. Red, yellow, and orange. Isn't it? And they like fruit. They like something. There's another color blue, color black. Big. On that. Yes. No. Pigeon can fly very high. Pigeon can fly very high. Now, look at my pigeon. Look at the pigeons. Some of my pigeons have feathers on the leg. On the leg. They come from snowy place. Do you know snow?
Yes.
Yes. Like Germany, France, USA, like that. Now, they can. All of you do like this. Can you say 5 years?
5 years.
To 15.
15.
They can live 5 to 15
Yes.
and they only eat what?
Fish.
Good. They only eat what?
Fish.
Now, do they have a mouth?
No.
Yes.
Chá, bacana, junto, na outra.